Hey, what's up everyone? This is going to be a quick video on how to recompound your Splash tokens on Splassive.com. So here on the home page, we're going to need to connect our wallet. I'm using MetaMask. This is assuming that you've already purchased Splash tokens. If you have not yet done so, there is a link in the description below. And drop a comment if you have any questions. We're going to connect to my MetaMask, as you can see here. And in order to recompound and or claim our tokens from Splassive, we need to go to the tap. This available balance here on the left-hand side is what is available to either claim or recompound. So these deposits here is where the recompound will go. When we do so, there is a 10% tax on doing so. And if we claim, there is a 10% tax as well. So keep those two things in mind if you do not show the appropriate 0.811, for instance, going to either deposits or claiming. But if we want to do recompound or fill up, all we have to do is click on this button here. It's going to open our MetaMask wallet. It's going to charge us gas fee on AVAX, which is 0.008. As you can see, click confirm. This will just take a couple seconds. Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll see this 0.88 or 0.811 disappear, and it's going to be added to our deposits that you just saw there. And there we go. So our recompound has taken place. It's been moved to our deposits. And like I said, if you were to do the same thing with claim, that would then move to you'd still see the claimed here, but you'd claim it into your MetaMask wallet instead of leaving it on the Splassive.com website. So hopefully this was helpful for somebody. If you have any questions about Splassive or if you'd like to support my team here, I will leave my address, my current Wave Starter address, into the description below. If you have any questions, like always, please leave a comment and I'm happy to help where I can. Thanks for taking a look and see you soon.